Don't miss out on this opportunity to own this charming home located in the highly sought-after McEver Park neighborhood, where convenience and community come together. Enjoy neighborhood's incredible amenities, including a sparkling pool, walking trails, a playground, and a clubhouse full of exciting neighborhood events and activities. Situated just minutes from the lake, charming downtown Acworth, local parks, and with easy access to major highways, this location is perfect for both relaxation and commuting. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, and 2 half-bath home offers tons of space. Step inside to stunning hardwood floors throughout the main level. Enjoy outdoor living with a fenced backyard, spacious deck, and patio. Ideal for entertaining or relaxing in seclusion, as the property backs up to peaceful woods. The full finished basement provides extra space for recreation or storage, plus an additional half bath for convenience. With modern amenities and plenty of room to grow, this home is truly a must-see. Don't miss the chance to live in one of the area's most desirable communities.